Hey guys, and welcome back to Mother's Barbecue. On this video, we're trying out something that I experienced while I was in Oakland, a restaurant called Mission Chinese food. They had this General Tso baby back ribs, and it was like a fried rib with this General Tso sauce all over it, or General Tso, either way. Extremely good. I mean, it was really good. So I thought I'd take that recipe, and again, there's a cookbook, I'll have a link down below, called the Mission Chinese Cookbook, I believe it's called, that kind of gave the recipe, but it was for veal shanks. But I'm gonna put my twist on it. I'm gonna be doing spare ribs that I'm gonna smoke in the pit barrel, and then I'm gonna fry them, and then we're gonna coat it with our General Tso sauce. And this is gonna be incredible. So let's get going. All right, here's some St. Louis spare ribs. I went ahead and trimmed them up, removed the membrane. You can see there's a little end piece. It's just, I don't know, I call it a little snack for later on. Now we're gonna do this real simple seasoning. We're just gonna hit it with a little bit of salt, and this is Himalaya Peak salt. Because this General Tso's sauce that we're going to put on it is going to be very sweet, so we're not going to add any more sweetness to this. Going to add some pepper, and I'm going to hit it with just a little bit of Chinese 5-spice. Go ahead and get that all rubbed in. We're going to be cooking these on the pit barrel cooker, so I got my hooks. I'm going to go 2 bones down, right in there. I think I'm just going to go 1 hook. And that's it. Let's go ahead and get these on the pit barrel. Pit barrel's all heated up. I got some apple wood in there. Go ahead and get our ribs on and our little snack. All right, we'll let these go for about 4 hours. Again, we're not going to be done. Once these are done smoking, we're not done cooking. We're going to coat these in cornstarch and deep fry them. So I'll see you then. All right, so let's try to make some General Tso or General Tso sauce here. We're going to start out with 1 cup of sugar. And what I got here is 1 cup of Chinese red vinegar. Now, doing some research on this is vinegar that's made with fermented rice, mold, something like that. It's really odd, but it's inoculated with a red rice, a mold of a rice. But it also calls for Japanese red rice vinegar, which I'm not quite sure. I couldn't find that stuff. So I'm going to be using just another cup of rice vinegar here. What I got here is some hibiscus flowers. These are dried hibiscus flowers. I ordered these on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. I believe you might be able to find these in like a Hispanic type grocery. They use it to make the hibiscus drink. So we're going to add about, I don't know, tablespoons worth. So it looks like about 4 or 5 of these dried flowers. We're just going to let these steep in there. We're going to bring this up to a simmer, get that sugar to dissolve. All right, our sugar is all dissolved. Now what I'm gonna do is take this off the heat, just set it aside. I'm gonna let this cool, come down to room temperature, and also let those hibiscus flowers seep a little bit. This will add a nice fruity, nutty flavor to it. All right, so we let our vinegar and sugar with our hibiscus flowers steep for a little while. It's nice and cool. We're gonna go ahead and finish up this sauce. We got a fake wok here. Add about a tablespoon of some vegetable oil. You can use peanut oil. I'll throw in a lot of garlic. Got some sliced green bell pepper and some onions. We'll get these softened up. All right, we got some good color on this. Took about maybe 3-4 minutes. Go ahead and make some room in the middle. And add a tablespoon of Sambal Oleak. This is a spicy chili. Just a touch of ketchup. All right, we're gonna go ahead and strain off our vinegar, sugar, hibiscus flower. What we're gonna do is let this come to a boil, and then we're gonna simmer this down until it becomes a nice thick sauce or a glaze. You can also make a cornstarch slurry to thicken it up that way. I like to reduce it, lets the flavors come out. So we'll go ahead and let this simmer and thicken up. Let's go check on our ribs. I'm gonna call these done. I mean, they're not done, but we gotta finish these up. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these and let them rest for a little bit. All right, so here are ribs. They cooled down. I went ahead and sliced them. They got awesome color to it. Now it's time to fry these. So we're gonna coat them in a little bit of cornstarch. And get these in there nice and crispy. Our ribs are all fried up. I actually did a double fry. I pulled them out, I recoated them, cornstarch again, threw them back in to get that double fry. We're gonna go ahead and just plate these up. These are actually pretty big spare ribs, so I got 3 left over, but it's all about presentation. We're gonna take our sauce, our General Tso sauce, and we're just gonna spoon it right over the top. Make sure we coat every rib on there. There we go. General Tso's smoked deep fried spare ribs. Let's give this a try. That is pretty damn good. Crispy ribs, smoky, sweet. You get that vinegar tang. Probably a little too much bell pepper in it. I get a lot of bell pepper taste. So maybe just try half a bell pepper. I put a hole in. So maybe half an onion, half a bell pepper will work out. But damn, these are good. These are pretty damn good. Remember guys, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in the next run. Thanks for watching.